Welcome back to episode 6 of Cooking with Mama Theresa. Mama and I are very happy to see the response. Okay, today we're going to make Mama's shrimp primavera. Now as an adult, I like vegetables. But as a kid, I hated them and never wanted to eat them. So Mama had this little trick that she would use on just such occasions, and she made me shrimp primavera. And it was so tasty. I didn't even realize that I was eating vegetables, and I cleaned my whole plate. So if you have a little one who refuses to eat their greens, then this is a great way for children to overcome their fear of veggies. Okay, these are the ingredients that you're gonna need. 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 sweet onion chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, 2 teaspoons of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 carrots sliced, 2 cups of celery into 1-inch pieces, 3 cups of zucchini, 1 cup of green peas, a half a cup of fresh basil chopped. You want 1 pound of cooked shrimp, 6 ounces of spaghetti pasta, and the final ingredient that you're gonna need is a 16-ounce jar of What's Cooking Mama pasta sauce. Oh, there's Mama. Why do you want to see my shrimps? They're fine. They're fine, look. No, they are. They're just fine. They're fresh and they're... Really? My mama says that my shrimps are too small, and she's gonna go inside and get me the right size shrimps so I don't ruin her recipe. Now these are the tools that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a cutting board. You're gonna need a knife. You're gonna need a mixing spoon. You're gonna need a frying pan, and you're gonna need a pot to boil your spaghetti in. Okay? And one of the most important tools that you're gonna need to cook this meal authentically, just like Mama does, you need to pick up one of these What's Cooking Mama aprons, and you can get it at whatscookingmama.net. All right, let's dive right on in. Step 1, you want to take your spaghetti pasta and you want to go ahead and break it in half. Okay, just like this. And you want to go ahead and put it in your boiling water. Okay? Okay, Mama. My mama says these are the right size shrimps to use for her recipe. No. Oh, Mama doesn't trust me. She wants me to put the tiny shrimps so she can take them away. Okay, Mama. Okay, Mama. There you go. Okay? Ay, ay, ay. No, Mama. My mama says she just saved me from ruining this dish. Thank you, Mama. Oh, I hear the mail, Mama. Yes, I just heard the mailbox shut. Go see who it is. Ay, 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 Mama. You want to take your frying pan and you want to go ahead. Take your 4 tablespoons of butter. And you want to put that right into your frying pan at low heat. Make sure it's a low heat so you don't burn the butter. We want to go ahead and melt it. Okay? Maybe I'll turn it up just a tiny bit. Oh, look. There's Mom out in the backyard. What is she doing? Oh my gosh. She threw the tiny shrimps over the wall. Maybe she's giving them to the neighbors. Okay, now what you want to do, now that the butter's melted, you want to go ahead and add your olive oil. Okay? Now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and add your carrots and your onions because they take the longest to cook. So those are the first ingredients, and you always want to stir. Anytime you add something, you always want to stir it, okay? Now you want to go ahead and let these sit for a couple of minutes, and you want to put the top on there. Just like that. Let's look at this. You got to open it up and just kind of stir it. Just like I said, you want to go ahead and saute these for about 2 minutes. Ouch! What was that for?
Non c'era posta.
No?
No.
Uh-oh, I just got busted. I'm sorry, Mama. I must have heard the neighbor's mailbox. I love you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Now, the next step that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the rest of the ingredients in there. Okay? Once you have these onions and carrots all set and done here, you want to go ahead and you want to add your celery. Okay? Just like that. And every time you add an ingredient, you want to go ahead and stir. Okay? Stir everything together. Okay? Just like that. Next, we're going to put the zucchini in there. And again, stir it. Every time you add an ingredient, stir it. Okay? Okay. Now, I left this half a zucchini so I could show you how to properly cut it. Okay? What you want to do is you want to take the center of this out where the seeds are. You want to get rid of this in the center. Okay? Just like that. Remove the seeds. And then you don't want to make small pieces. You just want to kind of cut them 1/2 inch so. Just like this. I left this half because I wanted to show you exactly how to cut this. And go ahead and add that to the rest of your mix there. Again, always stir when you add something in there. Always stir, just like this, okay? Okay. Next, you want to go ahead and add your peas. Okay. You want to add your salt. Just like that. Again, let's stir it up. Mix all these ingredients together just like that, guys, okay? And let me tell you, they are singing with joy right now. Okay. You also want to put your black pepper in there. Go ahead and put it all around like this. And again, stir it, okay? Get all that pepper, everything all bound together. Oh, I can smell it already. Okay, we want to go ahead and drop our shrimps in there. Look how delicious these shrimps look. Look at the size of these shrimps. Boy, did my mama get aggravated when I was using the tiny shrimps. Boy, oh boy. She's a perfectionist when it comes to Italian style cooking. All your flavor is going to come from the basil. You want to put your basil in. Okay. Just like that. And finally, you want to go ahead and put Mama's pasta sauce. What's cooking Mama pasta sauce? This is what's going to bind it all together. Take your mixing spoon and just start putting it in like this. Okay? And you want to use the whole jar. Okay? Now let's go ahead and mix all of this together. And let's go ahead and put the garlic, the final deal here on the garlic. Okay? Just put that all in there just like that, okay? Alrighty. And again, you want to stir everything. Look how colorful and delicious this looks. And I got to tell you, Between the basil and the garlic, the smell that's coming off of this plate right now is just amazing. Okay, but we got to add some water to the sauce, okay? And the heat will actually dry the sauce out. So take yourself about a cup and go ahead and put it in there. Okay, just like this. We're going to turn the heat up just a little bit, and I think we can use the last of the water. All right, and that's pretty much it, guys. So you want to go ahead and let this sit for about 5 minutes or so, and you want to cover it and let it do its thing, okay? And now, while that's cooking, I'm going to give you a story. I'm going to tell you a story. Now, you know how Mama and I had a restaurant in Sturgis. Well, shrimp Primavera was not on the menu. So I would bug Mama to make me some shrimp Primavera using the pasta that we already have. Well, on one occasion, an employee tried out my plate and loved it so much, she started asking Mama, can we have this more often? Well, Mama nipped that in the bud right away and made the new rule. If it's not on the menu, she's not going to make it, even if it is only supposed to be for me. Okay, it looks like it's ready. So what we want to do now is drain the pasta and add it to the dish. Okay? So we're going to take this pasta out of the boiling water here. Just like this. Okay. All right. And you want to go ahead and add it to your dish. And like I said, you want to stir everything up once you put the pasta in. You want to stir the pasta and everything all together. Look at this. Oh, the smell coming off of this plate, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's see if we can get this all evened out. All right. I tell you, if I could only put the smell through the camera. Oh my gosh. And if you like, my mama sometimes, if you like to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese, you can, or you can do it when you individually serve it. But you can't add it to this. So let's just cover it for just 1 minute, pretty much. And we're going to get ready to dish it out. Oh, it smells so delicious, guys. Oh, your family's gonna love these dishes. You will eat exactly like Mama's family eats. All right, well, honestly, I think it's ready to go ahead and dish it out. So let's go ahead and turn the heat down completely. And let's take your serving plate, guys, and let's go ahead and serve this on a plate, okay? So grab yourself a nice, okay, grab yourself some shrimps there, put those on top, just like that. So guys, I don't think it'll all fit on the plate, but us Italians, we usually do family style, which means we just serve it in one big plate and you just help yourself. That's how families are. Okay? Just like this, guys, okay? Let's put one more in there. Oh my gosh, the smell. If you could only smell this. Again, I don't know if I'm going to get it all on the plate, but we're going to go ahead and just leave it like that, okay? Alrighty. And if you would like, Mama serves it with a salad, okay? Make yourself a nice salad. And also, we love garlic bread. So you want to go ahead and add your garlic bread to it. You could go ahead and just put it on the side Just like that. Okay. And that's pretty much it, guys. Mama's shrimp primavera. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to wrap this up and go ahead and eat this. I want to thank you again for tuning in. And please, if you like the show, share it with your friends on social media. Join us next time as we'll be preparing Mama's stuffed shell macaroni. And join us next time as we'll be preparing Mama's stuffed eggshells.
Eggshells? Jesus.